work in one company, you die in that company. Did that make sense? Iba na ang mundo ngayon, ang dami ng oportunidad, ang dami ng pwede. Just be open, no? Minsan pinagtatawa natin yung open ka ba, yung network marketing joke.
Open-minded ka ba?
Sa totoo lang, no, I wouldn't be where I'm at right now and all the people who I know na nagsimula na hindi business man yung family, network marketing. Lahat ng mga na multi-billionaire na successful ngayon, ang foundational network marketing. So which means yeah, so the network marketing is not something that we will have to make fun out of, but the network marketing will build you the foundation. So my foundation is that, just being open, right? So walang judgment, just being open. That's number one. Now, number two, very important, no? Kung na-excite ka, kahit hindi mo alam, afford mo ba? Kahit hindi mo alam, kaya mo ba? Simulan mo. Right? So which means kung farm, tingin-tingin ka muna ng, sige, one weekend, mag-shopping ka muna ng farm. Or kung hindi man farm, kung hindi ka pa nagkaroon ng brand new car, o gusto mo ng brand new car, punta ka. Hindi mo naman alam anong gusto mong klaseng car, di ba? Yung iba, motor. So anything that you're excited about, you don't know how much, but start working on it. No? So that's number two. Kung may gusto ka, paunti-unti. No? So 2018, Chikoy, no? We said we want something like this. And then we started asking, we don't know where we will get the funds. We don't know how it happened. We don't know what we want. But we started asking that area, meron pa ba dito? So inikot namin, okay, may 1,000, may 2,000, may 5,000. Pero lahat ng nakita namin, parang hindi namin gusto. But we did not stop ourselves because we didn't have budget that time. So, number two, principle here is act by faith, not by budget. Klaro ba? Yes. Act by faith, not by budget. So, kung may gusto ka, huwag mo isipin, hindi ko pa kaya yan. O kailan mo siya gagawin kung matanda ka na? Klaro ba? Natatawa ka kay Michael, di ba? So, ano lang, di ba? Kung gusto mo na sasakyan, punta ka sa kasa, magpa-coat ka, test drive ka, tapos bumili ka kagad ng keychain. That's the first act. Kasi hindi mo alam sa totoo lang. Okay? So what Chikoy and I did, we went shopping. Siguro nakailang ilang weeks, ilang months. Every weekend yun Tapos up until 2019, quarter 3, or 2019, after a year of searching. So lahat ng mga Facebook page, alam na namin kalakaran. So lahat ng Facebook page, sinek na namin. Galing na kami Batangas, saan pa tayo galing? Nasuko, Tagaytay, naikot na Alfonso. So somehow, alam na namin yung kalakaran. Experimentation lang, do not be afraid. No? Pero hindi pa rin alam namin kung mabibili na ba namin or hindi. But we now define what do we really want at sa level 10. No? So ako, I want my water feature. Chikoy was temperature, weather. So, kung Tagaytay, walang water feature. Kung Batangas, walang weather. No? And all of a sudden, we remembered here, Lukban. We were here 2007? Long time ago. And we started calling a friend, and he went here, he checked. So, we saw our first property, and alam mo, binili namin, nag-down payment, tapos after a month, yung provision dumating. Right? And it was 7 figures provision that we needed to buy the entire property. So it was beautiful. 2019, last quarter. No? Tapos, so again, be open to just experience something brand new. If you like it, start exploring around it. To really see kung gustong-gusto mo ba talaga. Kasi minsan hindi Minsan na-hype ka lang. So it took us time. No? But number 3, define talaga ano yung non-negotiable mo. Right? With that non-negotiable, January 2020, we did an Eat, Pray, and Love journey in Bali. No? So na-in-love kami dun sa place. So I was there with our mastermind group. So I took a photo. So I posted something like, I see myself as I pray to God. On or before age 70, I'm living in the middle of rainforest, surrounded with rice paddies and walking barefoot. And then nag-pandemic. So, syempre, pandemic, I forgot about that. But syempre, age 70 pa naman. Ilang taon na ako na 48 lang. Right? Tapos, during the pandemic, parang we didn't like what was going on in Manila. So, I think 2020, halos marami akong time nandito. So, we built a small house. Walang kuryente, puro tubig lang. So, talagang sobrang